This very work on paper in itself is immensely full of details and rich in the graphic treatments, but in my senses may be going deeper compared to the expression of the mosaic. I don't know if you should look vertical to this work,
yes,
to see if the both parts are they balance in themselves, and if they are balanced in the whole work.
Balanced together.
Yes.
In symbiosis
I
with
think
each other, in
because
tandem.
If you show me only the paper surface, is something is already complete and has colors and art and fields, simple fields.
Well, I did leave these sections as the prayer shawl, but
yes,
I understand what you're saying. There's a lot of visual imagery between all the detail in the mosaic and all the detail in the drawing. So you're wondering if they're going to hold together.
If they integrate,
there's
in one.
The answer to your question is they may or may not, but they have to, because there's no choice at this point. I'm not redoing the drawing.
Right, yes.
And they're going to work as it is. If people find it too visually overwhelming, well, that they'll have to live with it. Because once I do it, I'm putting it out there for the world.
It's true. Yes, yes. Yes.
Now,
I'm not saying that it would be overwhelming. What I feel is that this area is lighter than the mosaic. Mosaic is a field that frames this event, let's say in history, event. This fact here is something. If it would be seated in a blank page of acrylic or a paper or something, you would have one power of expression. But once you have insert in this tremendous box full of elements and materials, this is what I feel. This central part can have the risk that it will be sucked deep in the depth.
Yes.
And will lose power. Not that you have to include, but I'm just seeing, maybe not, but I would like to see vertical. As soon as you have vertical,
okay, I will let you know.
In Greek.
Okay,
Yaka
thank you. Yaka da yaka.
Schluss aus.
She's Hakanachainik, yeah.
Nicht mehr.
Danke, thank you. I'm going to turn this off now. This is Clarice.
Now, introduced to the work.
Yes, art restorer, trained artist and art restorer from Brazil and Florence and Munich and Berlin and Paris.